How to become a financially literate person? I will tell you. How. There are 4 best recommendations. 1. Invest. All financially successful people recommend investing. Investments are not only about additional income. This is also a reserve for a comfortable, carefree old age. 2. Manage your money. Learning to earn money is half the battle. It is also important to be able to handle money and manage it skillfully. That is, to be able to spend. 3. Seek financial independence. Here are a few main rules for such independence. Find a stable source of high income. Do not borrow. Do not take loans unless absolutely necessary. Create a source of passive income. 4. Constantly develop. Do you know how to become a financially literate person on your own? Constantly learn and develop. Without this, you will not be able to achieve success. Development is a guarantee of your prosperity. You need to learn from other successful people. Be sure to practice and take into account other people's mistakes.